Hey guys, Kevin from Flatline Van Co. Today we're going to install a standard rack on a 170 Extend. Before we start, we recommend that you take everything out of the box, get it staged, make sure that you have everything, and make it easy to grab while you're doing your install. There's also going to be a few basic tools that you need. The first thing that you'll need to do is slide in all of the rail nuts into the roof track. There's going to be 10 rail nuts on the passenger side and 12 rail nuts on the driver's side. The 2 extra on the driver's side are either for your ladder or for the included filler plate. Next, take your roof rails and place them up on top of your van. This helps give you an idea of where those rail nuts need to be placed so that you can access them with your roof rails. Now that you've got all your mounting points set up, you're ready to attach the side rails. Use the 3/8 button head and the lock washers supplied to tighten down each rail. Leave these loose for now as we're going to need some adjustment in them for later. The next step is to connect the rails together using the coupling plates provided. Make sure that your rails are aligned nicely before tightening down all of the screws in the coupling plates. Now you can go ahead and place all of your crossbars up into position. Make sure to leave 2 of those crossbars out for mounting the front fairing and the rear spoiler. The crossbars can be positioned anywhere in the slot along the rails to allow for fans, solar panels, AC units, whatever else you have up on your roof. Use your 1/4-20 flanged head screws to hand tighten all of the crossbars. Again, leave these loose for now. Next, you'll want to assemble the front fairing and the rear spoiler down on the ground before taking them up on top of your van. Attach the front mounting brackets for the fairing using the 1/4-20 button head screws, lock washer, and T-nut. The easiest thing to do is loosely assemble them all together and slide them down into the crossbar. Next, tighten down the brackets. You can assemble the fairing to the brackets, but don't tighten it all the way just yet. You attach the rubber gasket to the lower edge of the fairing by pressing it on firmly. To set up the rear spoiler, go ahead and loosely assemble the hardware to the spoiler, leaving room so that you can easily slide the T-nuts down into the crossbar just like before. Now you're ready to bring your fairing and spoiler assemblies up onto the top of your van and attach them to your side rails. Once the fairing is in place, you should position it to leave as little space as you can between the rubber gasket and the roof of the van. This helps cut down on any potential wind noise or drag. Once you have your fairing and your spoiler in position and tightened down, it's now time to go ahead and tighten all of your crossbars down as well. If you aren't installing a side ladder with your roof rack, now's the time to install the ladder hatch. Lastly, you want to make sure that you like how your roof rack is positioned and where it sits on your van. Then go around and tighten all of the 3/8 button head screws down to keep it in place. That's it, your roof rack's installed and you're ready to head out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. We're always happy to help and we always love talking to you guys. Thanks for watching.